email arrived at 8:12 a.m. We've temporarily restricted access to your account due to unusual activity. There was no panic in the wording, no urgency, just reassurance. This is a standard security measure to protect our customers. I clicked the link and tried to log in. Access denied. I wasn't worried at first. I hadn't lost my card. I hadn't made any strange purchases. I assumed it was a mistake, the kind that gets cleared up with a quick phone call. I dialed the number listed at the bottom of the email. After 20 minutes on hold, a calm voice answered. "Thank you for calling," the representative said. "For verification purposes, may I confirm your identity?" I answered the questions: name, date of birth, address, last transaction. There was a pause. "Yes," she said. "I see the restriction. What was the unusual activity?" I asked. "I'm not authorized to view that level of detail," she replied. But the system flagged a pattern. What pattern? "Financial behavior inconsistent with your profile." That phrasing stuck with me. "Inconsistent with my profile. I just need access restored," I said. "I have bills to pay." "I understand," she said. "The review process typically takes 3 to 5 business days. I repeated, "My rent is due tomorrow." She didn't respond immediately. "I recommend contacting any merchants to explain the delay," she said finally. The call ended politely. My account remained frozen. The next day, my card was declined at the grocery store. I stood there, embarrassed, while the cashier tried again. "Sorry," she said, "it's not going through." I left without buying anything. That afternoon, I logged into my banking app using my laptop instead. A new message was waiting. "Your account is currently under review. Please do not attempt additional transactions during this period." As if I had a choice. On the third day, I received another email. To proceed, we require additional documentation. They wanted proof of income, recent statements, explanations for several deposits I'd made over the past year. They weren't large sums. Transfers from friends, reimbursements, one-time freelance payments. I uploaded everything. 2 days later, another message arrived. "Thank you. Your review is ongoing." No timeline, no contact person. I called again. This time, the representative sounded different. More careful. "Your case has been escalated," he said. "It's no longer handled at the branch level." What does that mean? I asked. "It means we can't override it." He replied. "Override what?" "The restriction," he said. "It's system controlled now, system controlled." I started using cash, borrowed from friends, made excuses. "I'm switching banks," one friend joked. "You should too." I laughed weakly. I tried opening an account elsewhere. The application was rejected. No explanation. I tried another bank. Same result. On the third rejection, a message appeared on the screen. "We are unable to offer you an account at this time." That was it. No appeal. No reason. I requested my consumer credit report. It came back clean. No fraud. No debt. No issues. And yet, I was effectively unbanked. On day 9, I received a phone call. "This is the risk management department," the woman said. "We're calling to clarify a few items." Finally, she asked about my work, my spending habits, why I sometimes withdrew cash instead of using my card. Privacy, I said. There was a pause. "Our systems interpret frequent cash withdrawals as a risk factor," she said. "A risk of what?" "Untraceable activity." I felt a flash of anger. "I'm not doing anything illegal," I said. "We're not alleging that," she replied smoothly. "We're assessing exposure." Exposure to whom? She didn't answer directly. "Have you ever been advised to move funds off platform?" she asked. "No." "Have you ever expressed dissatisfaction with financial institutions online?" I froze. "Is that relevant?" I asked. She hesitated. Public sentiment can inform risk modeling, she said. The call ended without resolution. On day 12, my landlord emailed. Rent was overdue. On day 14, my phone service was suspended. I couldn't pay the bill. I went to my bank branch in person. The teller recognized my name immediately. Her smile tightened. "I'm sorry," she said. "We can't assist with restricted accounts. I just need cash." I said, "My money." She shook her head. Once an account enters review status, branch access is disabled. So what am I supposed to do? She lowered her voice. "Wait, I noticed a small sign on the counter. For your protection, some services may be unavailable." The phrase made my stomach turn. That night, I searched online. Forums, comments, stories that sounded uncomfortably familiar. People who'd triggered risk reviews. People whose accounts were closed without explanation. People advised to move on. One post stuck with me. Once you're marked, you don't get unmarked. You just become less visible. On day 18, the final email arrived. After careful review, we've determined that maintaining your account poses an unacceptable risk. No accusation, no appeal process, just a notice that my account would be closed in 30 days. My funds would be mailed to me in the form of a check. Eventually, I received the check 6 weeks later. Cashed it at a check cashing place for a fee. I now live mostly in cash. I can't open a standard account. I use prepaid cards when I can. Nothing illegal. Nothing dramatic. Just limited. And every time I hear someone say, "If you're not doing anything wrong, you have nothing to worry about," I think about how quickly access turns into permission. How quietly protection becomes control. And how easy it is to disappear from the system once the system decides you're inconvenient.